In this video, I want to show you how to create your music with AI. Now, this tutorial is best for content creators who want to use music on their platform. Now, these days when you use people's music, Facebook or YouTube or any platform that you want to monetize your content, they will tell you that you are using somebody's content and your platform will be restricted. Now, you don't want to be a victim of that. Now, this video I will show you how to create your music and use on your platform. Now, let's jump right in there. Now go to your browser. You can use any browser and type in suno.com. suno.com. I'll leave the link of this website in the description below, so you can check guys later after watching this video. Okay, it takes us down here. Now, what you would do is for you to sign up with your Google, which is very simple. I don't want to do that because everybody knows how to sign up with Google. And what else you are going to do is for you to click create. Come down to the bottom of your screen. If you are using a mobile phone, come down to the bottom of your screen. Okay, let me highlight the place for you to see. Come here now. Can you see that? Okay, you click create. Immediately you click create, what else you will do is for you to come here. Custom. Now when you click on custom, okay, what else you do, you see lyrics, you see style of music, and you see title. Now what you do is you put the lyrics of your music here. Okay, some people will say, I don't know how to generate lyrics or don't know how to write lyrics for my music. Now it is very easy. Just go to ChatGPT and it will tell you the kind of lyrics you want to write, and it will create that lyrics for you, as simple as that. Now what next you do, style of music. How do you want your music to sound? Okay, do you want it to sound like reggae, afro pop, or jazz, or hip hop, or anything? Now for me, I will use Nigerian afro pop. Okay, the title of my song, I will put chop life. Okay, chop life. Okay, the next thing you do is for you to click create. Come down to the bottom of this screen, you see create. Now you see create here. Have you seen that? Okay, we click on create. You will be wowed what this AI tool is going to do. You'll be very surprised, guys. You'll be very surprised. In fact, I was amazed when I saw this the first time. Now you don't need to pay anybody to create a music for you. In fact, this is your go-to tool for you to create any kind of music for any kind of platform and monetize your content as a content creator. This is going to wow you. Okay, now let's play it and hear the amazing sound here.
Life, no time for stress.
Wow, this is
enjoying
good.
Every moment, I'm truly blessed. Money day, happiness day, life is sweet. No time for sorrow. Chop life, move your feet. Chop life, enjoy your life. No time for worries.
You like
chop
it?
Life, feel alive.
Wow.
Chop life, live in the moment. No time for regrets. Chop life,
Now, now what you have to know is that this Suno AI is going to give you two options of your song. Now let's play the second option of that same song. The second option.
Me at a job, life, no time for stress. Enjoying every moment, I'm truly blessed. Money day, happiness day, life this sweet. No time for sorrow, chop life, move your feet. Chop life, enjoy your life. No time for worries, chop life, feel alive. Chop life, live in the moment. No time for regrets, chop life, make it count. Me, I didn't work hard, but me, I also play.
Okay guys, now what next you are going to do is for you to export this music. Export this music to your phone. When you export this music to your phone, what do? Click on, if you want to export this music, what you do is that you come to this place, you click on these three dots, click on these three dots that you see here. Now when you click, it will take you to this place and you say download audio. Okay, our music is beginning to download. Okay, now we have successfully downloaded this music. Now let's listen to this music on our phone directly, from our phone directly.
Me at a job, life, no time for stress. Enjoying every moment.
Okay guys, if you like this video, subscribe to this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel, so that anytime I drop this kind of tutorial and other tutorials, you will be notified, you will see. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Okay, finally check the description. I'm going to drop the link to this website for you to start creating your mind-blowing music. Thank you. See you next time.